Well, hello. Somebody's sleeping. Hi. Look at you. Oh, he's a good boy. Or girl. I know. Had to force feed him today because he's not wanting to eat. Stephen over at the center said it's common for barn owls to lose weight at some point, but you know, I'm just worried that he's really not interested in food. So, you know, he does the food cries and the whole thing. So I force fed him today a pretty good bit, which is why he's lethargic now. So I know, goodness gracious. Little footy. We'll just say prayers. Hooty hoot. Look at you. Aren't you cuteums? What? He said, hey, what's that thing? That sure looks goofy. That only has one eye. As a rehabber, having a baby that is not a good eater always makes me nervous. But since Stephen said it's you know, common with the barn owls, I have very little experience with barn owls, except for the 3 babies that I raised in December, and they ate like the demons from hell. I mean, they ate me out of house and home. So that's about the only thing I have to go on. I've raised tons of baby owls, but barn owls aren't real common in this part of Georgia. So that's all I have to go on. Okay, little buddy. I know, he's a good boy. Poor girl. Blink.